Let's take a look at this polar bear origami craft activity resource. This resource includes a list of things you will need to complete the activity, along with step-by-step instructions to guide you through each stage of the craft. A printable template is also provided for you to cut out. Here's a list of all the things you will need to complete this activity. You can pause the video here to go and get your things and press play when you are ready. Step 1. Fold the square in half to form a triangle. Step 2. Fold the triangle in half again to form a smaller triangle and then unfold it. You can pause the video here to complete these steps and press play when you are ready. Step 3. Take the right hand corner and fold it into the triangle so that the corner tip goes over the middle fold. Step 4. Fold the tip over so it sticks out on the right side. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 on the other side. You should now have a shape that looks like this illustration shown on the right. You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 6. Fold both tips in. These are now your polar bear's ears. Step 7. Fold both edges at the top to form the shape of the bear's head. This part is a little bit tricky, so you may need an adult to support you with this. You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 8. Flip the head over and fold the top flap up. Step 9. Tuck the tip underneath the flap. Step 10. Tuck in the tip of the second layer, and now you're nearly done. Finally, step 11, get a black felt tip pen and draw on the polar bear's eyes, nose, mouth and any other detail you'd like to make it come to life. And there you have it, your very own origami polar bear.